If you are looking for a free RDP for quick test, for quick search, or for online registration, this video is for you. No credit card details needed, no account creation needed. Welcome to Sasmedia Studio. In this video, I am going to guide you on how you can create a free RDP for your online research, for your account creation, very quick one, and you have access for only 20 minutes. Let's get into it. So now all you have to do is just visit this website uponfly.com. Now before that, if you want to learn how to create an SMTP server that can send bulk emails, I have a course on Udemy. I'll leave the link at the description and also at the first comment. Go and check that course out. Now all you have to do is hit the link and you'll be redirected here. As I said earlier, just click on start free trial and you just click on start trial, or sometimes it will automatically redirect you and it says unfortunately all trials are busy, please subscribe or wait for next free slot. Yeah, so that's basically sometimes what happens, but this is basically how you go about it. You keep on trying. All right, so as you can see, so this is the RDP, right? So you can just give you can just allow for text and images. I'm not going to do that. Yeah, forget this, close. Yes, so that's it. So you can see the trial expires in 19 minutes, so you have only 20 minutes to use the SRDP. When the time ends, you can retry. Retry again. I think you can try like 3 times, right? So 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes, right? So when you get a warning that, oh, you have reached the limit, you can wait for like some few minutes, like 30 minutes or 1 hour, and try again, and that's it. And this is very good for account creations, right? Or for your online search. So basically I can just quickly open the browser over here, and this has administrative access because you can install application, right? I remember I installed Chrome on it and it worked, right? So you can see this is it. I can just click on reject all. Then this is it. I can do any search over here. I can see Sasmedia Studio over here. Um, and you can see that's my YouTube channel. You can use this for your research, okay, everything. So this is basically how you can get free RDP, no credit card, no account creation for 20 minutes, right? So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe if you want this kind of content, and make sure you check the course on Udemy, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.